Yes, I told you I'm not going to show more about those cylinder heads, but I see something and I want to show you. This valve is rusted and a little bit of wear to see, and it's black. That's not good. When it is black, I'm concerned there's something wrong. Take the other one out. This one is good. This is intake, the other is the outtake of out exhaust. But you can see it's rusty. I'm going to sandblast it, and there you can see it's also black. Normally, and that's a little bit surprising, normally you find rust pockets, very small dents inside the valve seat. You have to grind it out, and this one, now I can see properly, it's black. I don't want to have it black. It has to be nice surface like that, shiny, almost shiny. I can restore this, there's not a problem. The other valve, exhaust valve, is also stuck. That doesn't feel good. It was moist with water. There you can see a shiny coat. That's what I want to see. So something was not right with this engine. There was water or something like that. There I find surface rust. It's not eating its way inside the valve seat, so I can restore that. I do not know what's happened here, but you have always look with an open mind and check if something is usable or you have to throw it away. This an imitation gasket, don't worry, they are also good for use. So let's do the other one. Look by start, it's dry but also rusted. We are going to see what's going to happen. Sometimes I throw those cylinder heads away, because if you have to grind a valve seat, it takes you a lot of time. It is possible to work a whole day on one cylinder head, and that's not what I'm going to do. I pick up another different cylinder head and use that one, but I hope I can refurbish this to a good cylinder head. This one is sitting dead for a long time because this engine was stuck for a long time in a moist environment. Intake valves are normally not a problem, they are always good. The exhaust valves, they have to work, they are getting heat and they are glowing in the dark. Cherry red. It's possible, don't worry about it. It's possible. Something is falling out. So okay, let's check about this cylinder head. Oh, that's fine. Look, we have to clean that surface, that's not good. And also rust. This was, I'm a little bit concerned about this seat here. I hope it's going well. Maybe I'm lucky. This one is shiny, but not good. there's rust, and I think it's not fine, so I'm going to sandblast it, and we are going to look what's going to happen. When you work on the cylinder heads, please check those holes always, because I can put new thread in them, but when something is broke away here, don't use the cylinder head again. Don't weld it. Take another one. I have plenty of them. That's not a problem for me. The other way also moist black. This typical black. This was heated. The thread is here. Okay, there, there. And we can put new one here. No worries. That's fine. Take out the valve seals, rubbers. They are hardened by time and heat, and also maybe, I'm not sure about that, but maybe wrong oil. Oils of these days have special things inside them to keep the rubber soft. And the old oils, they didn't have that, because they didn't use a lot of rubber gaskets, so it was not necessary to put those special things in the oil to keep the rubbers flexible. Sorry, my English is bad, I know. I'm trying, but I do not know all the words. So watch what I'm doing and learn by watching. So, thanks for watching. I'm going to clear out those cylinder heads with petrol, and then I'm going to sandblast them. I show you the difference at the end. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.